Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at PREMiUM Spark Multi-Tool WiNPROOF Lighter. So PREMiUM Spark Multi-Tool Lighter WiNPROOF. What does it have? A lighter, obviously. Knife. Corkscrew and a bottle opener. This is like the camouflage pattern. I would have hit like 2 or 3 more patterns there. So they had like camouflage, black, and silver. I decided to go with camouflage. So yeah, on the back just kind of tells you all this stuff. You know, how to adjust the flame, where to fill it up at. You know, the stuff you get: lighter, knife, corkscrew, bottle opener. You know, all that stuff. So yeah, let's open this up. I almost forgot before I started cutting this. Well, after I started cutting this. There's the phone number and the customer service website. I'll put a link down below in the description for that. I bought this over at Walmart for like $11.99, 12 bucks. They really don't do a good job displaying, the bottle opener and the corkscrew in a little cheapy box, I guess you could call it. The knife, yeah, definitely you can see the knife, but that's about it. Plastic body. I don't know how good you can see on camera here, but right there is a little notch there. So manual open. There's the torch. And what's kind of weird is they say that it's a lighter, but they don't tell you that it is a torch lighter. It is a signal torch lighter with a really big blue flame coming out of this. So yeah, and of course down here is where you can fill it up and adjust it and stuff. There is a little recessed notch in the top of the lid here. The blade does not lie in place, so if you wonder if it like had something that quit in place and then you gotta manually push it down, no, it just doesn't. The blade could definitely use a good sharpener, so knife sharpener, you definitely want to use a knife sharpener on this blade. It's pretty much dull as hell. Pretty dull on the blade. That's what we have, the bottle opener. Which this one does appear to be just a bottle opener. If we compare it to the Virgo over here, I forgot what this Virgo was called. Let's see, give me a second here. The Beer Buddy. The Virgo Beer Buddy. Not only does it have a bottle opener, like this one, but it also has a little pull tab for pop cans on here. This one, just bottle opener. I thought that there might be a pull tab, little helper on here, like how I have here. Not really. And of course the corkscrew, which only goes up to about that far, and that's about it. I don't know. Price wise, for what you get, $12 at Walmart for this. Not really worth it. Although compared to the Virgo beer buddy that I bought at Myers for about $12 almost. And this one just has, lighter, bottle opener, pop can pull tab opener. That's what you got in the Virgo. And this one, knife, bottle opener, corkscrew, and of course, lighter. So, I guess it's worth it. This one's probably more geared to survival, butt out bags, camping, maybe hunting and fishing where you might need a little knife, a bottle opener, obviously a lighter, and maybe a wine quart. But other than that, more like EDC was this little Virgo build body, nice, slim, compact design. And if you're into like cigars and stuff, this one, the 4 torch, 1 quick assist, 7 quick, 4 torch burners, Virgo. What was this one called? Just called lighter. So yeah, this one a little bit bulkier. This one is kind of bulky, but you do have some tools to it. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Premier Spot Multi-Tool WiNPROOF Camouflage Lighter. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.